Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the English class. So already I sent one video through the WhatsApp group, your English grammar book. So here onwards we are going to start our lessons. First we can start from that English grammar book. Okay. So this is your English grammar book. So totally we have 40 exercise in this book. Okay, first one, today's class, first one we can see the prose comprehension. So they gave one story. From the story they are asking few questions. You must answer for the questions. Okay, let's see about the story. Okay, so first what they given, read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. So they gave one passage, it's just like a little story. From this passage they are asking few questions. Already I shown that 5 questions. So you must read that passage carefully and answer for those following questions. Okay, let's see the story now. An old shepherd was playing on a flute while he was watching his sheep and the fields outside Rome. See, so that old man playing flute while he watching his sheep on the field outside Rome. Rome is a place name. He played very sweetly. How much he played? Very sweetly. He played the flute very nicely. That music is very nice to hear. So, a lovely fairy, that is an angel we can say, a lovely fairy came and listened to him. See, a lovely fairy, that is an angel, came and listened the music. She was attracted by his music. So, she came and listened the music. Okay. Next. Will you marry me and play with me in my home under the earth? So what she asked, that fairy said, what the fairy said? She asked, will you marry me? See the ring? She asked to him, will you marry me and play with me in my home under the earth? Yes, yes, lovely lady. So, said by the shepherd. Who said that? Yes, yes, lovely lady. What he said? Yes, with pleasure to marry you, he said. She put a ring on his finger. The fairy put a ring on his finger. He at once became a handsome youth. See that the old man, when the fairy gave a ring to him, this old man changed into a young man with a bright dress and looking beautiful man. Okay, and dressed in bright clothes. But I must first go to Rome and take leave of my friends, he said. What he said? I must first go to Rome. He need to go to home or his place and said bye to their family, friends and friends. Okay, take leave of my friends, he said. The fairy gave him a golden couch and 12 white horses. For that, it's like a Audi car now, isn't it? So it's like a Audi car there. So what the fairy gave him, that golden couch and 12 white horses. When he rode to Rome, he met the young queen of Italy. So, when he rode to Rome, he met the young queen of that Italy. The queen invited him to her palace. He is looking beautiful, isn't it? So, the queen attracted towards him and invited this person to her palace. The shepherd wished to marry the queen and become the king of Italy. What a brain of the shepherd. Think like that. How he changed into a young man? Because the reason, the golden ring gave by the fairy, isn't it? Why she gave the golden ring to him? She wants to marry him. She wanted to marry him. So she gave the golden ring to him. But think of the brain of him. He thought he wanted to marry the queen and to become a king of Italy, isn't it? See the picture. He met the queen of the Italy and wanted to marry her. Become the king of Italy. When he and the queen were alone together, he took her hand, saying, "Marry me, dearest, and I will help you to rule Italy." What a mind for him, isn't it? So when both of them together alone, he asked to her, "Will you marry me? I will help you to rule the Italy," he said. But as soon as he spoke, he turned into an old ugly shepherd. So when he told like this, as soon as he turned into an old ugly shepherd, already how he was in first. Again, when he told like this, suddenly he changed into a old and ugly shepherd. So what is this horrible pecker doing here? Cried the queen. The queen doesn't know whether he is the shepherd came along with him. So when he changed into a old man, that queen was shocked. Then suddenly she asked, "What this ugly pecker doing here?" Cried the queen. "Drive him out of the palace." What she said? Drew him out of the palace. This was done. What done? That peoples are working under queen. They drive him out of the palace. The poor shepherd went back to the field to find the fairy. Nothing. She did not there. But she never came to him again. So he remained a shepherd. So again, this shepherd went to the field again, but the fairy never came again, isn't it? So fully he remained as a shepherd only. Okay, now have you all understand the story? It's a little nice story, isn't it? So now let's see the question and answer session. Okay, so answer the following question. Your first question is, why did the fairy want to marry the shepherd? This is your first question. You must find out the answer. What happened? Second one, what happened to the shepherd when the fairy put a ring on his finger? Third one question, what did the fairy give him? What did the fairy give him? Fourth one, whom did he meet in Rome? Fifth one, why was the shepherd driven out of the palace? Why was the shepherd driven out of the palace? So you must read this comprehension or this little story twice or thrice. Then you must ready to answer for this question. So tomorrow I will answer from you. So you just write under the question. That's why they gave 2 lines for you to write the answer. Okay, write the answer for this particular question under the questions in this line. Okay, so next class I will say the answer for you. Okay, thank you.